Do you have geospatial data in Databricks that you're struggling to visualize on a map? Well, what if I told you can actually get this done in just a few seconds? This is Felt, a user-friendly and robust platform for creating maps, apps, and dashboards that seamlessly connects to your data source. Let's get our Databricks source connected. For the first step, open up the library by clicking on the book icon in the toolbar. Over on the left, click on New Source and navigate to Databricks. This is where you can give your source a name and then enter all of your database connection details. Pro tip, if you copy and paste your database URL or connection string, it will automatically parse all the connection details correctly. Down at the bottom, you can specify who has access to the source. Once connected, you'll find an incredibly useful preview layout where you can explore your data before adding it to the map. This provides a nice overview of each dataset, including a preview of the geometry on the map, as well as a look at the data table. All I have left to do now is click Add to Map. And there you have it, I've taken my data from Databricks and put it on the map. It really is that easy. To learn more, follow the link in the description.